All right. So you already did the writing prompt. We're going to review variables, so you need to be able to tell categorical from quantitative. You will get 2 chances to submit. One kid did not get an A on his quiz. He's like, I forgot. I treated it like homework. I just kept submitting like crazy. You get 2 chances at every question, so don't just keep doing, oh, let me do another one. So don't do that. You get 2 tries. This is the review. So that's not the quiz. So that review, here's the good news. You turn in that review and you get 5 bonus points on your quiz today. As long as you do the markups and you write down the vocab, there's not a lot to write down, okay? So I'm going to go ahead now. All phones should be out of my sight and yours, so there should not be any buds and any ears. Thank you. I see people. Pocket or bag is the appropriate place. Okay. So take a look at that first one. Discuss at your tables what is the correct answer, and I will roll a lucky table. Don't worry. You're off the hook. Peyton and Gideon's got, you've got this covered, right? I'm hoping Gideon will do BP stuff. Never know. Are all the tables in agreement? Are all the tables in agreement?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I don't. Yeah, within your table, anyways. All right. So let's go ahead and find out who our lucky table is. Our lucky table will be table 6. Now, obviously, my newbie Caroline is not required to answer. She's just got here.
Are you like new?
No.
Were you in Miss Wu's class?
No, I was taking
Ah, you're a calculus refugee.
Yeah.
Welcome to stats.
Yeah, okay. You do know you went from one end all the way to the other, right?
Yeah.
Like, this is super chill class.
Yeah.
We do have AP stats.
She gives us Jolly Ranchers.
Well, I do that with AP stats, too.
Cookies, girl.
She also gives us Oreo cookies.
She is, but
She has vanilla.
But we don't promise you we're getting some.
All right. Yeah, I know. Me too. That's a problem. It's not good having a drawer full of cookies in your room. Okay, so table 6, go ahead and share. What did you guys go with? Huh? Now, if you're talking over him, that means you're going to be sharing instead. All right. Oh, did you not?
No, we got it.
All right. I figured you can still figure it out.
As a group, we decided that B is the answer.
B or D?
B.
D is in dog. All right. How many?
No,
boy.
B is in boy. All right. That is correct. Movie genre is correct because, you know, like romantic comedy, horror, those are not numerical answers. Those are categories. Like Jeopardy.
There's only one answer.
There's only one answer. Why? Which one did you think was categorical?
I'm thinking maybe.
No, category, like a genre.
Scary movie. Scary movie.
No, horror.
That's a list of movies.
Yeah.
Or like, you know,
No, it's in the genre.
That's a point.
No, but yeah, I know what you're saying. He's like, oh, scary movies. Okay. So go ahead and discuss at your table. Which of the following is a quantitative variable?
Well, think about it. Whenever you're going on a list, there's not really a section. I think it's A. It's like there's
All right. Are our tables in agreement, at least within your table? No, you're not in agreement? All right, let's roll. Table 3. Who said, oh no, we're not ready? You don't really know. Okay.
Our best guess is like.
do you like rape?
That would be an excellent guess. Length is correct. So why'd you guess length?
They guess like there was just
Okay, Sophia, why'd you guess length? It's numerical. Is that what you're going to say, Kyle?
I said the dates because when you scroll through decades, you go through decades.
last
date.
white?
No,
What's the
like, no, I'm
difference?
talking, there's like a decade there, you can go through the decade.
One is the date.
Like there, oh, shit.
Okay, so let's pretend for most quantitative data, I can average it.
Okay.
You can't average date.
Ooh, okay.
All right, that helps now? Okay. For most quantitative data, I can do an average. Next one. Now, my third period freaked out when they saw this, even though I had covered these in class and they have been on your assignments. It's all right. If you have no clue on how to do this right now, you will before your quiz. I promise you. Although there was one kid who didn't pay attention on this piece, that's 30 points of the quiz. So let's pay attention. Let's pay attention. So guys, discuss amongst yourselves how to do it. If I have a table that thinks they know how to do it, then there will be cookies involved. So go ahead and make sure you can get the numbers first. Tell you what, I'll be nice. I'll check your answers before you share. So
Okay, can you check my-
write down, I'll check your answers.
I showed him how to do that.
What?
Is it all the
How many
digits?
numbers
Is it all the like little?
It is.
Any-
So it's the two.
It doesn't give us enough.
Assume that it's used to 600. They only need how many?
Oh, only.
But it's
only-
always not so good.
I don't know if it's 2 digits. It's 3 digits.
It's over.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. Whoa. I got it.
Oh.
I think like table one.
Here you go. Is it this one?
Okay, the what?
Sorry.
Why?
It's
I got
not even okay.
Come back. Okay, great.
Lovely work over here.
I can't. I'm green. So
Yes.
this is the number that you can't go.
So it's all the.
Why not 578?
This is all put in the box. 3,
Yes.
3.
Why isn't it 578?
Yeah, I was gonna ask the same thing.
Why isn't it 578?
Sorry, 1.
Why is it 2?
I do it on the board. I do it on the board.
And then 578?
I think it is.
Dude, it's two.
How can it be 957? It only goes up to 600.
Okay, actually, Alvin. Okay, so Grant's gonna do it for us, writing up here. There you go. We'll turn it over to the master over here.
Yeah.
See, they were freaking out.
Oh,
thinking this was
nuts.
hard. So pay attention,
No.
Caroline, you
Yes.
haven't learned this yet.
Wait,
Why can't it be
Yeah.
578?
because you can't go over this number.
Well,
Yeah, 578 isn't bigger than 600.
Where do you see 578?
box all the sets of 3, Grant, because he can't see the boxes. And then put an X through the ones we can't use. Because they're too high. Well, yeah. All right. Yes. Huh?
Yeah.
Why can't we do which one? 95. Okay.
Because of the 600.
Why? Because of the 600.
Because it's you can't go over 600 because it's the incoming.
Yeah, but she wanted to know why we can't do 95.
Each one of those numbers represents one.
Because it's the first,
And
second, and third entities. It's the first, so this will be the first one. This could be the second one. You can't use these. This will be the third.
So how many digits are in 600?
3.
Math.
3.
Yeah.
Use 3 every time. Never do 2. Okay, always do 3. Even if it gives you a number that's too big. All right? That was, guys, you were amazing. That was wonderful. Bonus Jolly Rancher for everyone. Go ahead. I'm going to put the answers up. You can leave your writing. So that's pretty much what I said. Do you have a question, Sophia?
Yes, so you mean like for every type of reading numbers, or are you saying for every?
Okay. So 600, if I have 600 people, I'm going to use 3 digits because I can represent all the numbers from 1 to 600 with 3 digits, right? Let's pretend I was surveying 1,000 people. How many digits would I need then?
4.
Really, pretty much 4, like 2,000. I'll say 2,000 to be consistent. Yeah. Yes. Very good job, Frank.
Thank you.
So I can look at these numbers when it
For you.
was.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am, I
So
can.
like, in class, like,
You gotta answer questions and win.
when it was 100 people, we was
Oh, that's because that one, that's why I changed my mind from 1,000 to 2,000. When it's right at the 1, like 100, 1,000, 10,000, when it's got that 1, you can actually go 1 down. But that's the only time. So it's very special, and I don't do that to you on purpose.
You didn't know the answer, did you?
What?
No, no.
What's your
What
question?
I'm asking was like, are you saying that like it's free for every three, no matter what the individual population number is, or like only for the full number?
Oh.
Does how many you choose correspond to the digits of the original population?
The digits correspond to the size of how many digits are in the size of the population. It might get, when you have 100 or 10, when it starts with a 1 and has zeros. That one's a little weird, but I'll try not to do that one too, because technically you can use 2 digits.
Why is that? Why are ones
This time, Charlie Rogers number.
I still, why are the ones a problem?
Yes, I won.
Because we can use 0, 0,
Okay.
but I'm not going to quiz you on that. So, okay, all right. Okay, guys, very good job.
You won't. You won't. No.
All right, now guys,
Spit it.
go ahead and discuss which term. Thank you, kiddo. You like to practice, Grant.
No, I've never isolated. Yeah.
Okay. Discuss in your tables which term stands for a numerical measurement describing data from a sample. You're probably going to want to look at that foldable from day 1. And, oh, let's see. Caroline, I'm going to give you. Is this it? Here it is. I'm going to give you this packet. It already has the folder. All right, so you should be discussing.
I love stats.
It's fun.
It's my favorite class.
Of all your classes?
Teacher, I know.
Oh, no, it's not recording.
I don't remember.
Here's the calendar for our assignments. 2 plus 2 is not This is over organized, all right? All right. Okay, so guys, we'll roll a table. Kessler, you did know how to do the numbers, right? Good, because that's 30 points on the quiz. Table 6. Oh, let's see. You already did one. We'll give you a break. Table, well, maybe not. The random gods have spoken. Table 6 must share.
They got something against Pepper C.
Huh?
Yeah, wait, that was.
Yeah, the random gods want table 6 to share.
You're welcome. You sure?
Okay, you want to answer at table 5?
Yeah. They were talking.
Well, they were talking over you. Yeah, you're right.
You got it.
All right, table 6, you got it. Go for it. That would be correct.
Wow.
Statistic. Write down statistic on your cheat sheet. So remember, you get to use this sheet while taking your quiz. And then you get to turn it in for 5 bonus points if you wrote down all the stuff that we did. All right. Hopefully you drew some lines on those digits in the last problem and make a note. So if I have 200,000 people, I would want 5 digits, right? Okay. Just want to make sure you understand how that works. Okay. Next term, a member of the population of interest. Go ahead and figure it. Oh, we got a volunteer. Yes, JD.
We're doing number 5.
Yeah, the member for the population of interest.
It's an individual.
You are so correct. Oh my goodness. People are jumping and sharing in this class. I tell you, Caroline, you chose the right class to
We're trying to
join.
get back to your favorite student.
Yeah, you're right. You're earning it. You're earning it. Yes, since you've been somewhat good. You're a little loud, but you've been awesome, huh?
Do you have an off period? Can we just come to your class?
7th period?
Oh, 7th period?
I only have one off.
We're just talking about like.
Oh yeah, absolutely. You can totally come to my class even if I don't have an off. Oh yeah, you can always flex Raider time in. That's fine. That way you can play the Uno cards, right? Yeah, you totally got it. All right. Next question. Which term stands for the subset of individuals in the population? We'll let Tim go for it. That is totally a sample.
Yes.
Let's go down.
Thank you.
Yeah, write these down, guys. It's a sample. So a sample is a subset. Notice I've actually started to put up the words on the word wall in the front, right around the monitor. It's all those words. All right. JD wants to share this one, an aspect of an individual subject or object being measured. Very nice. That's frequently missed. Very nice. Yeah, so that's what we're recording for. Like genre would be a variable. Categorical variable. Everybody got variable? Wow, you guys are going to have some free time. Then we might have to pull out the Uno cards pretty soon. Which term stands for the entire group of individuals? Oh, wait. Aaliyah has not done one yet. Population is correct. Maybe I should do my observation in this class. when you invite the principal to come watch you teach.
Oh, Mr. Smith?
Yeah.
Yo, you should invite Mr. Smith.
Do it.
I know people call him Jonathan, but Mr. Smith is cool.
I like the name Mr. Smith, right? Especially when he goes to Washington.
Yeah.
All right. You're such a nerd if you got that. All right. Nate knows this one. A numerical measurement describing data from a population. What is it, Nate? Parameter is correct. Parameter. She's like, elimination. I don't know what to make of you guys, actually. I love you. Right now, I'm loving you guys. Cautiously optimistic sounds good. All right, so that was parameter. Okay, now this is the tricky one. Which of the following would be a bad survey question? Oh, you know, JD?
Ooh, I know.
Hey.
Oh, wait.
What do you think, JD?
It's E.
What's
Oh.
E?
Well, I mean, look, why would you survey somebody? Why would you say, if you're asking, like, I mean, depends on what the survey is about.
No.
Okay, there.
What percent of you exercise?
How you know what percent of exercise you doing at least 1 week? Who said?
What percent of
I
you-
work out 40%.
What percent of people?
It's
You're
the
right.
what type
No, you're right.
of-
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, come on. Now I'm sorry.
You guys are just rocking it today. It is A.
Let's go.
And the way that Adara said it, she's like, could you answer that question? You can't. If I wanted to know what percent of you exercise at least once a week, I would have to change the question and say, do you exercise at least once a week? And then I count up all my responses. Right?
There are percentages.
Right, but you don't answer that one. That's one I get after I do my data analysis. So that's a frequent one. All right. So you did rock. Is there any question? Now, I had a bunch of super exuberant students. But I also have some quiet students. Are there any questions you can, now remember, are you allowed to use this sheet?
Yeah.
You're allowed to use your notes in your packet. All right. So let me go ahead and unlock the quiz for you.